A couple of days ago, we unboxed the Galaxy A52 and today we have with ourselves its bigger sibling, the Galaxy A72. The Galaxy A72 has to offer the same processor but with a bigger battery and an additional optical zoom camera. So let's go ahead and unbox the device. But before we begin, please consider subscribing to our channel and hitting that bell icon as well so that you do not miss out on any of our latest videos. So hello everyone, this is Robin here from Gadgets 360 and without any further delay, let's jump right into this video.
So this is the retail box of the Samsung Galaxy A72 and we have an awesome violet unit with us. On the box it says this is the variant with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. None of the other specifications are mentioned on the box. The market pricing for the Samsung Galaxy A72 is Rs 34,999 for the 8GB 128GB variant and Rs 37,999 for the 8GB 256GB variant. So let's open up the box now, and the first thing that we see is the Galaxy A72 itself in all its glory. This violet color has a pinkish tint under the sunlight. So let's put the device aside and take a look at what else there is inside the box. So we have a fast charger that can charge the Galaxy A72 at up to 25 watt, and a USB Type-C cable is also provided inside the box. Also, just under the lid of the box we have some paperwork, but no case is provided. If you're planning to buy this device, you might want to buy a third-party case to keep it safe. Let's now put all this aside and take a look at the design of the Galaxy A72. Samsung tends to bring out new colors with each new generation, and the A72 gets the same treatment. The awesome violet color looks decent and the back has a matte finish to it. The camera bump is somewhat noticeable and this phone can wobble when kept flat on a surface. Since we are talking about the cameras, let's take a look at what the Galaxy A72 has to offer. The main camera is a 64 megapixel shooter, that's followed by a 12 megapixel ultra-wide camera, a 5 megapixel macro camera and an 8 megapixel telephoto camera with OIS and up to 3x zoom. An LED flash completes the camera setup. Let's quickly power on the device, and while I'm setting this up, I'll walk you through the rest of the specifications. The Galaxy A72 sports a 6.7-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display, and at the top we have a 32 megapixel camera for selfies. There is also an in-display fingerprint sensor for unlocking the device. The display has a 90Hz refresh rate, so scrolling is a lot smoother. You can switch between 60Hz and 90Hz in the settings. Under the hood, the Samsung Galaxy A72 packs in the year-old Qualcomm Snapdragon 720G SoC, and we also have a 5000 mAh battery. Despite this, the phone feels sleek, which is very good. Now, the Galaxy A72 also has stereo speakers, which can be very useful. As for software, the Galaxy A72 runs on One UI 3.1 based on Android 11 with the February security patch. There is some bloatware pre-installed on the device such as Netflix, Prime Video and PhonePe. These apps and some others can be uninstalled. Taking a look at the bottom of this device, we have the USB Type-C port, a headphone jack and a speaker. At the top, we have the secondary microphone and the SIM tray. The left side of the phone has nothing, whereas the volume and power buttons are on the right.
So keep an eye on our channel for the full review of the Samsung Galaxy A72. And if you guys have any other questions, please leave them down below in the comments. And as always, for all things tech, log on to gadgets360.com.